If you've been watching my channel, you know that I've been doing some Halloween costumes and outfits from Dollar Tree costumes. And by the way, I make some of my bracelets, and you might recognize the grommet off of the glittery pencil pouch. Okay, the first step was to deconstruct the princess skirt. I cut off the tulle, but I did leave the little gathered fabric up at the top of the skirt. I measured the amount of the skirt fabric that I needed around the doll, and I measured the amount of elastic that I needed around the waist of the doll to make a little petticoat. I folded the tulle in half and made a casing on the fold, and then threaded the elastic through the casing. The little tulle petticoat will add some, fluff to the skirt, make it stand out a little bit. And you just distribute the gathers in the petticoat. You could keep this strapless, but I wanted to add straps to it, and I kind of had a nice surprise. I halved the rest of the fabric, and I made bell sleeves. I just tacked the top of the sleeve to the top of the dress in the front and the back, and then I just sewed maybe 2 inches at the wrist to make it look like a sleeve. That was really easy. And you see that I have pinned it to hem, and my next step will be to sew, not all the way up. You can if you want to. And when she stands, you won't see this gap. It'll just fall naturally in place. I've got several videos on how to make a shirt out of a sock, but this time I did it just a little bit different. I cut, instead of cutting the heel part, I cut down the middle. And then I cut just a snippet off of the heel part, and then hand hemmed everything. You can do it either way. I just wanted mine to look like a cardigan this time. And again, you have to hand sew, and there it is. I found my pants from the Valentine video. It matched so well. Nice silver glitter. And I made a quick little long sleeve turtleneck. I'll try to show you in a video how to do a long sleeve at some point. I'm so appreciative to those who keep watching. Thanks so much.